Alright, once you've got your stop motion animator extension added to Chrome, again you can get to it from that puzzle piece in your extensions, but once you have it open, now you're ready to use it. It works pretty simply. You can turn your camera on and off with that little button, although I'm not sure exactly why you'd need that. To take an image, you're going to go ahead and click Capture. Now, I'm going to say right away, like I'm doing this quick demo, I'm not worried about this cord in the way, or you can see my keyboard, because I'm just showing you how it works. But once you are doing your real work, you're going to want to take the time to not have cords and hands and things like that in front of your project. But again, once I've got one image, now I can start to animate by just moving it a little bit. And you can see that it shows you a little bit of the last frame, and they actually do that on purpose so that you can see how much you're moving, so you're moving things in the similar amounts. They call that the onion skin effect in animating. And then you can capture again. Move a little bit again, and capture. Move a little bit, and capture. The smaller the movements, the more similar the movements, the more smooth your animation will look in the end. I'll do just a couple more here, and then show you, you can watch whatever you've done so far by clicking play, and it'll show you just those few frames that I've got. If you want to completely clear everything, you can click clear right here, but it's saying, are you sure you want to clear this? Because if you click OK, it is gone, and it is gone forever. So make sure if you're clearing something that you really want to get rid of it. I'll also show you a very common mistake as I go through here. I'll go to capture, and oops, I took a picture of my hand. Maybe you noticed it right away, maybe you didn't. So then you can move on, and I'll show you this will happen. You can slide down here to see. Oops, that third frame back there, I got a picture of my hand. There's no good way of removing just one frame in this software. I'm sure if we had more expensive software, we probably could, but this is a free extension, and we're really limited by just doing undo, which will take one frame back, and I can get rid of it if I go back to 3. But now my pen is off, so that's how I can use that onion skin again to kind of line it up so I can pick up where I should have left off there. And I'm back to animating. That's kind of how it works. You can see how that starts to move. Right down here you have control over your frames per second, so you can make it quite slow and it will kind of look jumpy and jerky. Or you can speed up those frames per second and it'll go really quick. Again, I do think somewhere in the middle is usually your best bet, but you can play around with that effect a little bit. When you're ready to save a piece of recording, you've got the save button right over here. I'm just going to call this demo, click OK. It'll ask you where to save it. I suggest saving it to your downloads. That way you've got it saved to the system. It'll be on this computer, but it'll also be in your downloads from your Chromebook as well. Then you click Save to save it, and you'd be able to take it over to WeVideo and do any of your other manipulations, or do your to add in your audio. I know it has an option for audio up here. We're not going to do any audio within this. We're going to do all of our audio within WeVideo. That's all I need to show you. Again, hopefully this helps you get started making some cool animations.